Okay, this question 152 from chapter 11 is another question that you need to know the reactions of group 2 compounds, okay, and also their solubilities. So because they ask how many of the solutions shown, four solutions, when added to separate portions of magnesium sulfate solution produce a white precipitate. So that means produce a magnesium compound that is not soluble in water. So the first one we have hydrochloric acid. So let's write an equation. Magnesium sulfate, okay, reacts with HCl. Okay, so you get magnesium chloride. Okay, and also H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Now let me balance the equation. Okay, so these two products, they are soluble in water. So there is no white precipitate. Alright? Yeah, I'll put here, no white precipitate. Okay, let us now look at the second one. We have ammonia solution. This ammonia solution is basic. Okay? How do I know that it's basic? Because it dissociate in water to give you ammonium ions and hydroxide ions. Okay? So, magnesium sulfate actually reacts with the hydroxide ions inside this ammonia solution. So what happens is you get magnesium hydroxide. So when you get this magnesium hydroxide ions, right? Sorry, not ions. Magnesium hydroxide compound, it is actually not soluble in water. So you will observe precipitate in the solution. Okay? Let me take first. So now here, this ammonia added to magnesium sulfate, you will get precipitate. Now let's look at the third one. I have ammonium carbonate. So magnesium sulfate, okay, with, okay, hold on, change the color. Magnesium sulfate with ammonium carbonate. You get magnesium carbonate, which is a precipitate because it's a solid that is not soluble in water, and you get ammonium sulfate. Now this one is soluble in water. Okay, most ammonium salts are soluble in water, but you still observe white precipitate because magnesium carbonate is formed. Alright. Okay, let me write down white PPT will be observed. Second one, this one also, you see white precipitate. Now the last one, I have barium nitrate. Okay, so again, magnesium sulfate reacts with barium nitrate. I will get magnesium nitrate. Okay, this is soluble. Nitrate salts are soluble in water one. And barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is not soluble in water, so you will observe this barium sulfate as a white precipitate. So again, another solution that gives you white precipitate. So let's put another tick. So out of the 4 solutions shown, okay, 3 of them, when added to magnesium sulfate, will produce a white precipitate. So the answer is D.